What it do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about the Liquidity Farm, how this project is doing. Guys, I'm going to be real with y'all. So yesterday, I tried to log into this website and it wasn't working. For some reason, it wasn't working. So I was like, maybe something is going on with the website. Maybe it's under maintenance or something like that. So I couldn't have access yesterday. Okay. That was around midday, okay? Nighttime, I tried to have access again on my phone and it did work. So it was something wrong with my computer, something like that, okay? So what I did, I cleared the cache, cleared the browser and everything, shut down the page, open it again, and it was working. And as you can see right here, the website, it's up and running and still doing its thing. So today's video is going to be an update about my journey with Liquidity Farm. Okay, so how this thing is going. Okay, excuse me. Currently, I have one active farm right here. Okay, and briefly, I'm going to show you how to get started with this project. Okay, so here's my investment, and over here we can see my stats. The farm that I'm rolling with, it's the farm easy, and as you can see, it's active. And I've been rolling with the project for 7 days. Remember, the project only pays Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday, there will be no payouts. Okay, keep that in mind, right? So the contract will last for 180 days. Okay, it's not guaranteed that the project will last forever. Okay, but at least the contract duration is for 180 days. What happens after? Okay, after 180 days, it's game over. Okay, you will have to withdraw your capital and reinvest if you want to continue to earn your reward. Simple as that. Over here, we can see I've started on the 21st of August and it will expire on the 29th of April 2024. Okay, we can see the capital, we can see the daily ROI, and you can see my profits and balances. Okay, and essentially that's that. So how this thing works, so first things first, you gotta fund your wallets. How are you gonna fund your wallet? So funding your wallet essentially is injecting funds to this project so you can start earning your rewards. So the minimum investment is 300 bucks. Okay, so before I show you how to fund your wallet, let me just quickly show you how which packs you have available. Okay, so you click on packs. Okay, and over here we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 packs. Okay, so the pack that I'm rolling with, it's this one right here because my investment was 1K. Okay, and yes, for this one, I would have to chip in an extra 200 bucks to go for this one. I would earn a little bit more. Okay, so it's a big difference. So 2% right here, whereas this one is 0.95. But I'm still happy with 0.95. And over here we can see the differences between each pack. The minimum investment, the maximum investment, daily percentage, withdrawals, and the contract duration, okay, and capital back, okay. So once you are happy with one of these packs, okay, you go ahead and click select, okay. So select will take you to the my fund page, okay. Over here is where you're going to be able to send funds to this wallet so you can activate the plan. As you can see right here, the farm easy plan has been selected. So the minimum amount, like I said to you, is 300 bucks. So you come over here, 300 bucks, and you hit continue. Over here, we got a summary about the plan that we're about to enroll with, okay? Over here, we can see the capital, we can see the daily ROI, 180 days, estimated earnings, 513 or 171%, and total payout is going to be 813. So that means you will get this amount in profits, in rewards, plus your initial capital, okay? So 300 plus 513 is 813, okay? So you can only draw once a day, okay? So once you are happy with that, you hit confirm, okay? When you go to confirm, um, the farm has been activated to your account, okay? So when you hit confirm, it's supposed to show you um, a wallet to make that payment. For some reason, it didn't show this time, but it's supposed to show your wallet where you can send a payment. And then once you send that payment, let me just go over to my deposits. Once you send the payment, your farm will be activated. Okay, so let me just go back. Let me see what's up. And oh, damn it. So the farm. Because I had some funds in the account. Oh, as you can see right here, because I had some funds in the account, okay, the account automatically activated another plan. Okay, I didn't want to do that, but there you go, guys. So now you can see that I have two plans. This one has been it's 7 days old, and this one it's 0 days old because I just literally activated this plan. It was just I was just wanted to show you how to get it done, but now you know how to get it done. As you can see, it is that simple. Okay, and yeah, essentially that's that. You can withdraw once a day. So once 24 hours expires, you can come over here and hit withdraw. So if you come over here to transactions, okay, over here we can see my transaction history. Okay, so we can see the daily profits right there, okay? And we can see the deposits right there, okay? And we can see the farm purchase right there, okay? And you can see the withdrawals, okay? I've been withdrawing, so as you can see right here, completed, completed, completed. And this is my USDT BEP20 wallet, okay? So as you can see right here, I've been getting paid. So I cannot complain about these projects, okay, guys? So that being said, guys, I am going to wrap this video up. All the links going to be down in the description just in case you want to join this project. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.